So my name is Joseph Wong. I am a communications executive. So I mostly deal with writing press releases, creating simple websites, creating static websites, writing copy, and sometimes designing. I create communications for my company basically. So I've always been looking at how to create websites since I was young, but the tools available to me at that time was WordPress, Blogger, and what really interested me was the code that actually made it all function, but I didn't understand it at first. So as I started working, I had to be more and more exposed to these types of things, but because I didn't understand the code behind it, I felt a bit handicapped. I wasn't sure how to use code and actually customize things according to how I wanted to. I was very at the mercy of different companies supplying different things. So being able to code would give me that ability to actually innovate and build further when it comes to that. Next Academy does Ruby on Rails. It also touches on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and it actually shows you how these things actually come together. Because all these things don't exist by itself, it's a combination of languages. So Next really does give a holistic view when it comes to coding and allows you to actually build on that and create what you need as a whole. So being able to learn these different languages and bringing it all together, I think that's very valuable, and it does help me achieve my goals when it comes to building web apps or building even static websites or styling things if I need to. So the bootcamp experience is mostly some breakout sessions, and mostly on working through questions and working through problems. So what I liked most about it was being able to work through questions and having a mentor or a teacher there to actually guide me through some difficult parts. What I also liked was the fact that there were a lot of like-minded people there who came together to actually support each other and help bring our apps to life, or help with the exercises as well. So just having a small community of like-minded people helps out, and I do appreciate that in Next Academy. So upskilling, being able to upskill employees means investing in your staff. So if you have a staff member and being able to invest in them, it does show staff or employees that they are valued and that they can learn something new on the job. That basically means better culture, a culture where employees feel that they need to learn more, and they need to understand more and get better at whatever they're doing. So and having something like this, like a micro degree, really does help when it comes to the upskilling process. Me as an employee, I do feel very invested into, and I feel that the company does care. So I think that's very important. So the app we built was, it's called SquadUp. SquadUp is a HR tool, not just for HR personnel, but HR tool for mostly everyone to use. It matches people with skills to the projects that require them the most. You simply add your skills in, press enter, and a whole bunch of people that have those skills are given to you. It also helps with training, so it shows all the skills that are in your company and allows you mentorship with those people. So of course, Next Academy has brought this skill, this being able to develop web apps and everything else that comes with it, like having static websites and things like that. So I'll definitely bring back the ideas, ability to innovate in whatever websites that we're currently doing. We'll be able to maybe automate some processes, but we'll see. I mean, possibilities are quite endless when it comes to being able to develop web apps. So it'll be quite interesting. We'll mostly target pain points and see what we can do from there.